Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've opened the workbook and located the cells you want to filter. Now make the columns filter ready. Select any cell inside the data range, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus L to enable the filter drop-downs across the header row. Make sure headers are present and that the colored cells use Excel fill or font color rather than conditional formatting only. Conditional formats behave differently. Once the filters appear, move to the column that shows the color you want to isolate and open its filter menu. Open the header drop-down for the column with colored cells and choose Filter by Color. You'll see options for cell color and font color. Select the specific color swatch that matches your cells. Excel instantly shows only matching rows. If you need to combine colors, first filter one color, copy or tag those rows, then clear and filter the next color. Excel does not natively or multiple colors in the same column without helper columns. Once you've isolated the rows, you can copy, edit, or analyze them as needed. After isolating the colored rows, copy or export them to a new sheet or file, then click Clear Filter to return to the full dataset. Make sure to save your workbook. To make future color filtering simpler, convert the range to an Excel table, Ctrl plus T, so filters persist and behave consistently. If you don't see Filter by Color, verify the workbook isn't protected, you're using a compatible Excel version, and whether the color comes from conditional formatting. If so, use a helper column with a formula.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.